Are you looking to share your expertise with the world and earn passive income while doing so? Today, we're going to show you how you can create online courses using the power of AI, introducing Coursify, the revolutionary platform that leverages AI to turn your knowledge into engaging online courses in just a few simple steps. With Coursify, there's no need to spend countless hours creating content or worrying about technical aspects. Our AI assistant, Sonia, does all the heavy lifting for you, but don't just take our word for it. Hear from some of our users who have seen incredible success with their online courses, thanks to Coursify. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just starting out, Coursify makes it easy to create professional-grade courses that resonate with your audience, ready to take your knowledge to the next level. Click the link in the description below to watch our step-by-step tutorial on how to create online courses using AI with Coursify.